Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link PayPal with Payoneer. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is to have already a Payoneer account. And after that, you will be needing to start having your Pioneer card. And after that, we can simply link it into our PayPal. So from here, we can see that you can get started by just searching for Pioneer card or credit card in your searching browser. And from there, you can get this card. So basically, you can simply go to Pioneer, click on get started, and from there, you will be able to start creating your card. So you will need to log in, and basically you will need just to choose the type of account that you want, either an online seller or whatever the accounts that you would like. Of course, this is just the process of creating your account. You can do whatever you like. So basically, you can simply, after that, just create account. You get started and create your card by adding your information. And now we will be needing to go to PayPal so you can link this card within PayPal. So simply in PayPal, you will be needing just to click on add card or bank. So we need just to click on add card or bank, and from there you will be able to start adding the card information here, and then you will need just to click on link card. And by that, you will be able to start linking the Pioneer card within PayPal. Otherwise, you can simply go to the wallet instead of home, and from here you will find the list of all your cards. You click on link card and basically you can start linking your card. And when the linking is successful, you will find the card that will be showing here, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.